Welcome. We're detailing a critical success story, overcoming the FCA's minded to refuse notice for a major variation of permission application. For Sarah's firm, the process hit a major roadblock. Let's look at the initial challenge they faced. A fintech subsidiary sought a variation of permission, or VOP, to add discretionary management capabilities to their business model. After applying, the firm endured 6 months of regulatory limbo, waiting anxiously for the FCA's decision. Then came the official response, which was far from what they had hoped for, a significant setback. The FCA case officer issued a quote, minded to refuse notice, signaling serious deficiencies in the application.
The core issues cited included a weak regulatory business plan, failure to meet threshold conditions, and flawed senior manager function allocation.
Faced with refusal, the firm brought in a specialist, a compliance consultant, to lead a swift recovery effort. The compliance consultant immediately stepped in to assess the damage and formulate a strategy to rescue the complex application. The rescue involved a focused rebuild, rigorously aligning the application with FCA handbook requirements, specifically COND 2 and SUP 6. The strategy moved beyond fixing errors to fundamentally strengthening the compliance foundation of the firm. The regulatory business plan was completely overhauled, ensuring it was robust and met the FCA's strict standards for a discretionary management firm. Crucially, every threshold condition was addressed and met, proving the firm's ongoing suitability and readiness for the new permissions. Key senior manager function candidates received intensive preparation for their FCA interviews, ensuring confidence and competence in regulatory matters. After the strategic intervention, the moment of truth arrived. The hard work paid off. The fintech subsidiary secured full FCA approval for its variation of permission. Remarkably, the entire approval process, from intervention to success, took just 10 weeks, bypassing the initial minded to refuse notice. What can other firms learn from this near miss and subsequent triumph? This case underscores the essential role of expert regulatory strategy in securing FCA authorizations and VOP applications efficiently. If your firm is facing regulatory hurdles, contact us to ensure your next application is a success.